If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon for my latest notifications. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comments. So let's get started. So for creating graphics and small basics, we will use here graphics window. So here write graphics window dot show. If you will run it here, a default screen of graphics window will appear. If you want to change the height and width of the screen, you have to simply write here graphics window dot width. Width is equals to here 1000, and now height graphics window dot height here is equals to, here we can write 500. Now let's run it first. See, now we can resize it by this arrow, but I want the fixed height and width 1000 and 500. So what we can do? We can do is, here we'll write graphics window. There is an option can resize. Click over here. By default it is true. Here inverted commas, here we can write false. Now run it. See, there is no arrow to resize this window. Now if you want to change the title of this window, see here the title is coming small basic graphic window. But if you want to change the title of this window, here you can simply write graphics window dot title. There is the option title, and then title is equals to inverted commas. Here we can give the title like Avni. You can give any title. See, the title is coming here Avni. Now to change the background color of this window, we can write a graphics window dot background color, and then is equals to. Now see, there is a official website of Hex Color. I will show you how you can reach this website. Here we will write Hex Color. See, this is the website Hex Color codes. If you will click it here, see the Hex Color will be appear. Now here suppose I want the background color this. Copy this and paste it. First inverted commas and then paste it. Now run it. See, the color has changed. Now to draw any text, you have to simply write a graphics window dot, there is option draw text. Draw text, then parenthesis. In the parenthesis we have to write the x and y coordinates and the text. So suppose here will write 50 and here will be 50 only, and the text we will put in inverted commas. Here we can write enjoy with Avni. Let's run it. Now see here, the font size is too smaller. For changing the font size, we have to write the font size before the draw text. Here you write graphics window. There is the option dot font size. Font size, then it is equals to, here we can write 50. Now see the font size is greater now. Now suppose you want to change the font color, you can simply write a graphics window dot there is an option brush color is equals to. Now again go to the hex color. Suppose I want the font color to this color, this hex color. Copy it and inverted commas paste it over here. Now see the font color is changed. Now to make the font color bold, you have to simply write a graphics window dot, there's option font bold. Font bold is equals to here inverted commas and here we will write true. Now if you want to give the font name italic, what you have to do? Here we write graphics window dot there is option font italic. See, and font italic is equals to here will inverted commas and here will write true. See, the font is in italic. Now if you want to change any of the font name, you can simply write the graphics window dot here's option font name. See, font name. Now font name is equals to inverted commas. Here we can write any of the font name. I am writing Algerian. See, enjoy with Avni. Now to draw rectangle and any shape, you can here simply write here graphics window dot here's option draw rectangle. Draw rectangle, then parenthesis. In the parenthesis we have to write the coordinates of x and y and then width and height. Here suppose I'll write 20, then 30, then 40, and then 50. I write the coordinates over here. Let's run it. See, a rectangle is drawn over here. Now, if you want to fill that rectangle, you have to simply use the fill rectangle option. But here I will write graphics window dot fill rectangle. Fill rectangle, parenthesis. Suppose here I will write 50, 60, 70, 80. See, a rectangle has created. Now we want to change the rectangle color. What you can do is, here before fill color you can write graphics window dot brush color and then is equals to inverted commas. Take any of the hex color from here. Suppose this one hex color. Paste it over here. Like this. See, the rectangle color has changed. Now, if you want to make an ellipse, what you have to do is here write graphics window dot there is option draw ellipse. Draw ellipse and then here parenthesis. In the parenthesis you have to write x, y and height and width coordinates. Let's write here, suppose 40, 50, then 80, and here 90. See, an ellipse has drawn here, over here. See here. Now, if you want to make any circle, so here you can change the width and height of this circle. Here, write 80 and 80. See, now a circle has been created. Now, if you want to fill that circle, here over here, graphics window, dot, there's option fill ellipse. And then here parenthesis, he'll write the x and y coordinates. I want to fill that same ellipse, so copy these coordinates and paste it over here. Now let's run it. Now if you want to change the color of that color of this ellipse, before the ellipse fill ellipse, here we'll write graphics window dot brush color is equals to, take any of the brush color, suppose this, Control C, Control V. Now let's run it. See, circle, square, and then rectangle. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy this video and hope you understand graphics window. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon for my latest notifications. So thanks for watching, guys.